Encountering the error, "Something unexpected went wrong with this URL" in Outlook can be frustrating. This presentation will guide you through the steps to resolve this issue efficiently. When Outlook displays the error message, it often indicates that Windows is unsure which browser to use. This can occur due to reset default settings, browser reinstallation, or policy restrictions. Let's explore the quick fix. First, reset your default browser. Open Settings, navigate to Apps, then Default Apps. Select your preferred browser and click Set Default at the top. Try opening the link again. Next, repair your Office installation. Open Control Panel, go to Programs, then Programs and Features. Find Microsoft Office, click Change, and select Quick Repair. If needed, try Online Repair. Re-register URL handlers in Windows. Press Windows plus R, type the command shown, and reassign your browser as the handler for .html, HTML, HTTP, and HTTPS. This ensures proper link handling. For advanced users, reset Outlook's web browser setting via the registry. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, and navigate to the specified path. Delete the force default browser key if it exists, then restart Outlook. In summary, set a default browser, repair Office, reassign URL handlers, and remove any group policy overrides. These steps should resolve the Outlook URL error effectively.